Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your speaker SOUNDCORE Select for Go. All you need to have for this is just an adapter and USB-C cable. This is the first method, is a classic one. So connect adapter to the power. And then at the right side of the speaker we have this plug. You need to open it. And here's USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And right here we can see this LED light, so it means that your speaker charging. Also, we can use a phone to charge your speaker. And all you need to have is USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second USB-C cable to USB-C port on your speaker at the right side. And again, we can see this LED light, so it's also charge your speaker. And the last one, what you can use is USB-A to USB-C cable. And you can charge it using your, let's say, PC. And it looks like this. So connect USB-A cable to your PC or to another device with USB-A port and USB-C cable to your speaker. And we can also see this LED light, so it's also charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!